Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Chainlink from Bitrue to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just want to secure your assets, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process easy and stress-free. Let's get started. First off, why do this? Transferring your Chainlink to a personal wallet like Trust Wallet gives you full control and keeps your funds safer from exchange risks. But before we begin, ensure you have a Bitrue account with Chainlink in it, a Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, and a basic understanding of crypto wallets. Also, double-check network compatibility. Chainlink typically uses the Ethereum network, so make sure both platforms are set to that. Step 1. Open your Bitrue app or website and log in. Navigate to the Wallets or Assets section, find your Chainlink balance, and click on Withdraw or Send. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, select Chainlink as the asset. You'll need to enter the recipient address, so switch over to your Trust Wallet app now. Step 3. In Trust Wallet, go to the Chainlink token. It's usually under the Ethereum network. Tap on Receive to generate and copy your wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mistakes. Step 4. Back on Bitrue, paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. Step 5. Once confirmed, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet app to see when the Chainlink arrives. A quick tip. Always use the exact network specified. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Also, consider the gas fees for Ethereum transactions. They can vary. If you run into issues, check Bitrue's support or community forums. There you have it. You've successfully transferred your Chainlink. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.